Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Grade 9 Textbook Explanation video series. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about sound cards. Actually, we are discussing about peripheral devices related to computers. Last video we discussed about graphic card, VGA card, and also the ports related to it, VGA, DVI, and HDMI. If you want to recap it, you can follow the video we have uploaded in the video series. So today we can discuss about sound card. Actually, we can use sound card to get audio outputs from the computer, and as well we can input audio inputs also to the computer using sound card. Therefore we can use sound card for both requirements. Then through the sound card, the input audio signals will be converted into the digital signals for process to the computer, as well the digital signals will be converted into the audio signals to get as output output uh, to get as output through the speakers. Therefore, for both requirements, we can use sound cards. Actually, we can find sound cards in two categories. One is an inbuilt one, other one is a separate one. The separate sound cards we can connect it to. Normally, we can connect it to it with the latest computers, PCI Express slots. Then through it we can get audio out, and also we can input audios. Actually, basically we can find three ports in general sound cards. Audio in, we can input an audio through this port. It means just like through a cassette player or any other audio output device. We can input the audio to the computer using audio in port. It is normally light blue color. Then pink color one is mic port. If you want to directly connect a microphone to a computer, we can use pink color port. As well, there is a other port. There's another port. It is audio output. We can connect our speakers to the audio output in the sound card. Same, we can find both both in inbuilt version and also in separate version, same colors ports. As well, in laptop computers, we can see all of these as one port. All of these mean actually audio out and microphone ports with 4-pin port. Actually, we know that the port which we are using in our smartphones, same type of port which we can see in latest laptop computers. Therefore, we can connect hands-free device to that port, and we can use both microphone and headphone through that by connecting to that port. Therefore, you can remember that what you have to understand through this is sound card is used to input audio signals to the computer, and as well uh, get audio signals as output from the computers. As well, in here they have mentioned the colors and the device which you can connect to the sound card. As well, additionally to this, we can use also surround sound cards. Through surround sound cards, we can use surround sound. It means subwoofers and other devices such as 5.1, 7.1, 3.1. There are several types of surround sound devices. To connect surround sound devices, we can use surround sound based sound card to the computer. Then we can get through that type of sound card and audio system, we can get real experience, just like a theater experience in our homes. A lot of home theater systems based computers are using that surround sound based sound card with multiple ports to connect the surround sound system also. So I think now you have a good idea about computer peripheral devices. This is the last peripheral device which we have to discuss under grade 9 syllabus. So in next video we can discuss about pre-installed software. I mean actually the relationship between hardware, operating system, application software and user. We can discuss about it in next video. So till we meet again with the next video. Have a nice day to all of you as well. If you have any doubt, you can always use our WhatsApp support service. It's a premium service for any students as well. Ninaro students can totally use that service. Therefore, if you join the Ninaro class, you can use our WhatsApp support service totally free of charge. So till we meet again in the next video soon. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.